taking part in the program today. 3 बजे तक रामिया रहेंगी. अगर आप इनसे कोई सवाल पूछना चाहते हो अपने बॉडी के बारे में, ख़ासतौर पे औरतें जो प्रेग्नेंट हैं, जिनके अभी अभी बच्चा हुआ है, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट फिजियोथेरेपी ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी एंड पोस्ट प्रेगनेंसी. So Ramya, you're most welcome in our program. How are you doing?
Thank you so much, Ashma ji. As usual, it's pleasure to be here. I am feeling very good.
Good. So the topic seems to be very close to your heart. Do you think our women don't take care of themselves during pregnancy and post-pregnancy?
Absolutely, they do in some form or the other, for sure. But मेरे बस एक ही like problem है कि she doesn't get exact information. Like यहाँ वहाँ Google में from mother-in-law, friends, ये वो, they get multiple different inputs and suggestions that she gets lost.
Right. And then she doesn't do any of them.
Well, yeah, she doesn't.
And then she says, अरे मेरा दिमाग खराब हो गया, पता नहीं ये करूँ ना करूँ, पता नहीं बच्चे को कोई नुकसान ना हो while I'm doing this and all that.
Yes, that is one thing I've always seen postpartum mother में. They don't care about themselves anymore. Once that life comes outside of them, now it's all about the baby. That is where women lose herself.
You know, I've noticed, Ramya, and some women become really very skinny and some put on so much weight that it's not even funny.
Yeah, I know.
So what is behind all that?
So, talking about weight and being skinny is a completely different topic, where it depends upon their body type, it depends upon their lifestyle and genetics and all those stuff, or how they were pre-existing, before pregnancy, how they were. But I am more concerned about their the muscle, the belly part, right? So most of the women, if you see after delivery, they still look pregnant forever. Their belly doesn't become flat like how they were before the pregnancy, right?
So can they get back to that flat belly?
Exactly, yes.
No kidding.
That's exactly why I'm here to tell people, like, if you take little bit of effort, it can be done.
Okay. So let's start from the beginning. So you're pregnant. What sort of things can you do during pregnancy?
So if you see, during pregnancy, mostly women experience low back pain, right? They often say, oh, my back hurts, I can't stand for a long time, I can't sit for a long time. So low back pain has always been one of the major complaints of women during pregnancy. And the second complaint being, they call it round ligament pain. They say I have pain around my hip, around my belly, and also in the front of the belly, like just right below the belly. We call it pubic area. So they always complain pain there. So these are some most common things women complain during pregnancy. And also, of course, cramps hota hai, tiredness, fatigue, ये सारे तो common होती है. But what I don't like to hear is, like, if I go to somebody and if I complain I have pain, they say, oh, it's very common. Pregnancy में तो ये common है.
तो क्या करें हम फिर?
Exactly. So I always start my treatment by telling my patient, like, you don't accept it. Don't accept the pain, right? So pain is indicative of something. हमेशा जब कहीं भी pain होता है, वो कुछ हमें बता रहा है about our body. Either कुछ problem है और होने वाला है, right? So pain is always protective. वो हमें कुछ information दे रहा है. So if during pregnancy your body is hurting, you should first know. मैं always I focus on educating the women to first know कि इसका reason क्या है. So then I talk about posture. Then I talk about other changes happening during pregnancy. मैं उनको समझाती हूँ कि ऐसे pelvis है, ये expand हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ligament का ये हो रहा है. So when I make them understand, they finally understand the pain, and then I give them small techniques to how to cope up with this pain. So they don't have to suffer pain during pregnancy.
So I'm probably asking you a question that doesn't have anything to do with it, but it sort of popped up in my mind. That probably, when a woman is pregnant in 6th, 7th, 8th month में है, बच्चा पैदा होने वाला है, can be born anytime. So there is the movement of the child trying to get down towards the, area from where it is going to come out. So I guess at that time, बच्चे के लिए भी शायद मुश्किल हो सकता है कि वो जब move कर रहा है to come down, that it's giving the woman a lot of issues, nahi?
Yeah, it could be because again, it depends upon size of the baby. Agar
Right.
if the women have a big baby, like gestational diabetes है किसी को और baby बहुत बड़ा है, at that time you know there can be like an overstretching of all the structures that can cause pain. Or some women have very narrow pelvis. It also depends upon what type of pelvis we have, and then when the baby moves, that can happen. And for instance, during my pregnancy, I had slight tilting of the uterus. My uterus was tilted more towards my right side. That caused more pain and suffering in my right side. So most women also have that, like where the uterus kind of tilts, or the baby itself, to blame the baby, it loves one side. So it adapts to one side, and that side feels really heavy and stretchy.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're going to be talking about what one can do and what sort of feelings you have, what sort of pain you have. And if you want to call Ramya in the studio, our telephone number is 604 280 1200 or 604 299 8863. We'll also talk about after the baby is born, what sort of things you should be doing. सुन रहे हैं गपशप का प्रोग्राम है और रामिया विनोद आज हमारे साथ है. Ramya, I just wanted to touch base with you about your own personal clinic where people can meet you, and it's called
Viba Rehab, VIBA, Viba Rehab.
Viba Rehab.
Yes, and it is located in 15055 54A Avenue.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's not that far away from.
It's not far away from anywhere. It's like exactly in the middle of, White Rock, it is well connected. Langley, it's connected. Surrey, it's connected. From Guildford side, it's connected. Exactly in the center.
Abbotsford is connected.
Kind of.
We've got a caller on the line.
Sure.
Line 4, how are you doing? Fine, thank you. Go ahead. Do you have a question for Ramya? Yes. Wow. Okay, the bounty. She wants to get rid of the bounty. Okay.
Yes. So usually what happens, women during pregnancy, our belly muscle, which is called, the rectus abdominis, वो six packs muscle बोलते हैं हम प्यार से, तो that muscle stretches to accommodate the baby. वो normal process है. हर pregnant women को वैसे ही होता है, like everybody's muscle stretches. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या होता है, फॉर सम पीपल अगर बेबी बड़ा है या ट्विन बेबी है, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन, लेकिन अगर फ्लूइड ज़्यादा था तो आवर बेली ओवर स्ट्रेचेस, एंड व्हेन वी डिलीवर द बेबी, डिलीवरी के बाद अगर हमने उसको प्रॉपरली टेक केयर नहीं किया है उस मसल को, दैट मसल रिमाइंस वीक फॉर एवर, तो वो लूज बन जाता है. सो व्हेन इट बिकम्स लूज, इट अपीयर्स बल्की. So our abdomen is not going to become flat like how we were looking before pregnancy, right? तो उसके लिए हमें थोड़ा जानकारी होना चाहिए कि how to use that muscle. तो वो कोर मसल बोलते हैं ना, लाइक द कोर मसल, वी ऑलवेज टॉक अबाउट द वर्ड कोर. तो वो कोर मसल कहाँ है, उसको कैसे एंगेज करना है, all those things when I teach you, slowly I have seen my patients losing inches every couple of weeks. इंचेस लूज होता जाता है. सो इट इज़ जस्ट द बॉडी अवेयरनेस ऑफ हाउ टू यूज द मसल while doing some activity, and also how to do like small abs workout at home, जो easy है, कोई fancy stuff नहीं है कि you have to join a gym or something, घर से ही कर सकते हो. All those small exercise will make a huge difference. And also if you have a belly like that which is still looking pregnant, you will also have a lot of low back pain, right? यस, तो वो लो बैक पेन बैक के वजह से नहीं हो रहा है, वो लूज बेली मसल की वजह से हो रहा है. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई वांट विमेन टू अंडरस्टैंड कि वी ऑलवेज ब्लेम प्रेगनेंसी, वी ऑलवेज से कि मैंने इंजेक्शन लिया, एपिड्यूरल लिया, उसके वजह से बैक पेन हो रहा है. उसके वजह से नहीं हो रहा है. इट इज़ हैपनिंग बिकॉज वी हैवंट मेड आवर belly muscle strong after delivery.
So can she do something right now so that she can start correcting it?
Unfortunately, I won't be able to say anything without seeing her, because
Yes.
I have to be physically present to first see what's happening
I see.
and then teach her, make her do it, and then teach her exercises.
Okay, so caller, आपने नंबर वगैरह लिख लिया? Okay, good. And if you haven't, you can call the station back again, and Shruti will give you the number.
Thank you for calling in.
Thank you so much. 604-280-1200, 604-299-8863 हमारी टेलीफोन नंबर है. अगर आप रम्या से बात करना चाहती हैं तो कर सकती हैं. So, is it right away after the baby is born that women should start looking after their physical health? के नहीं?
Exactly. I like usually back in India when I was teaching pelvic floor, we used to go to postnatal ward
Yeah.
like within 2 days of delivery
अच्छा.
to teach them how to do exercises, right?
Right.
So क्या होता है like right after delivery, as I said, we are in pain, we are in like post anesthesia effect, और वो delivery का ही जो भी process है it's very straining, right? तो उसके बाद हमारा body बिल्कुल tired होता है. उस टाइम पे barely you are paying attention on yourself. So at that time we go tell them how important it is to start exercising slowly, छोटा मोटा things. But if you have C-section, things are different. If you had C-section, definitely you need to take rest for 2 months. You're not supposed to weight too much of, lift too much of weight.
Yes.
और कोई gym कुछ नहीं join करना चाहिए in 2 months.
Yeah.
To just make sure कि वो healing complete हो गया.
Right.
So बाहर से scar heal हो जाता है,
Yeah.
but अंदर से फिर भी healing होता रहता है, right?
Right.
तो वी हैव टू वेट फॉर दैट स्टेज. बट नॉर्मल डिलीवरी के लिए अगर आपकी स्टिचेस ठीक हो गई, इफ यू हैड अ स्टिचेस डाउन देयर, देन यू कैन स्टार्ट एक्सरसाइज एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल.
So, in olden days, I mean, I don't think that in olden days women got stitching done at the bottom. Did the body automatically heal?
Olden days शायद they had a tear and they didn't even know how it's
Yeah.
happening, right? Like अभी now they do the episiotomy,
Yeah.
the cutting, to be on safer side to prevent tearing.
Acha.
Yeah, but again, plus and minus, some hospitals doesn't do it now. They say we have to leave it naturally, but some people do it.
Hmm. What are some of the wrong things that women can do?
Wrong things is not taking enough rest right after delivery start. No, we have to keep moving. We bend. We do the chores and stuff like that. So that is not good for her low back because her muscles are not strong enough to take all those load. The second thing I get really frustrated seeing this message, in my Women of Wisdom group, where women keeps asking a question about I need massage. They all have a good affinity towards getting massage after delivery, but they don't want to do exercise after delivery. Massage is passive. Massage is somebody else doing something on you. You have to do exercise on your own to get better. So your massaging the belly is not going to make it firm as much as you exercising the belly. Right? So that is what I want to really tell each and every women आज जो भी सुन रहे हैं कि उनको postpartum massage की जितनी ज़रूरत है उतनी ज़रूरत है exercise की.
So, okay, I'm going to go back to पुराना ज़माना again. Okay? So पुराने ज़माने में औरतें क्या करती थी कि उनकी body भी ठीक रहती थी और वो एक नहीं 10 बच्चे पैदा करती थी.
So again, if you divide into two things, that is another reason there was क्या बोलते हैं, like our physical ability was totally different at that time, right? Like what my mother can do, I cannot do. What my grandmother can do, my mother cannot do.
Yeah.
So क्या होता है, we are deteriorating.
Yeah.
So previously our genes were good, we were eating healthy,
Yeah.
we had healthy lifestyle. झुक के काम करते थे, बैठ के काम करते थे. अभी कौन जमीन पे कौन बैठ रहा है?
कोई नहीं बैठता.
Yeah.
और कोई घुटनों के बल भी नहीं बैठ सकता, कोई अपने पाँव पे नहीं बैठ सकता, because it is very difficult for some people. If you look at European people, they can't sit on their 2 feet.
Yeah, because we are got so westernized ना, सारे बैठ के चेयर में बैठ रहे हैं, कमोड में बैठ रहे हैं.
Yeah.
Like we are not completely squatting every day, right? So that changes a lot our pelvic health, right? And also women's strength accordingly. Like just बैठ के जब पोछा करते हैं ना फ्लोर का, उस टाइम पे हमारा pelvic floor strengthen होता था. अभी करेंगे विमेन, उसको प्रोलैप्स हो जाएगा, यूट्रस निकल के बाहर आ जाएगा. So that's a different generation we are in. And when you said like they had 10 babies, of course they were not in great health, but still agar they also had gestational diabetes which was unidentified. They had so many other complications which were unidentified, but thanks to the science that we are able to understand everything now. But at the same time we are also deteriorating. when science is developing, our body is deteriorating.
So what about आप जो आप exercises वगैरह करने के लिए बोल रही हैं औरतों को, कुछ लोग तो they don't want to go out and spend any money, you know, वो Google पे उसको देख के कर लेते हैं. Now there are some things that are okay to look at Google, but some things are not, because you don't know whether you're ruining your body even more by doing those.
Exactly. I love the way you put the sentence, because
Yeah.
I want to say every woman who is out there in gym doing exercise without knowing what is diastasis recti, this word diastasis, and without knowing what is the pelvic floor function. अगर ये दोनों आपको बिल्कुल पता नहीं है तो आपको एक्सरसाइज रोकनी चाहिए ताकि you don't cause more harm to yourself,
Wow.
especially right after delivery.
Right.
So this I have seen many patients coming to me 3 months or 2 months after delivery. They hit the gym because they are so frustrated to see their body after delivery कि मैं ऐसी हूँ, मैं मोटी हो गई, ये हो गया. They rush to the gym and they come back to me saying that I feel a pressure in my vaginal area. I don't know why. I like, that's your bladder coming out, or it's your uterus coming out because you lifted weight in the gym without knowing how to tuck in your core properly and your pelvic floor. So there are many women who comes to me saying that I have a trainer who tells me to tuck in the core. Well, that's good. I really appreciate if you have a trainer, because they can identify whether you're doing it right or wrong. But can your trainer see whether your pelvic floor is contracting? No. Pelvic floor muscle is deep inside the vaginal area, which the trainers won't be able to even feel or say or even comment about it. So they are just talking about core. So if you only tuck in your core and आपको बिल्कुल ये नहीं पता कि pelvic floor कहाँ है, then you can still end up with नुकसान than being helpful.
We are talking to Ramya Vinod, and she owns physiotherapy गपशप का प्रोग्राम है. रामिया विनोद आज हमारे साथ हैं, जो कि विभा रिहैब के साथ ताल्लुक़ रखती हैं, और हम बात कर रहे हैं पोस्ट एंड प्री एंड ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी के फिजियोथेरेपी के. एक और सवाल जो आई थिंक औरतों के लिए काफ़ी थोड़ा एम्बैरेसिंग भी है, थोड़ा एम्बैरेसिंग नहीं भी है. After they have a baby, it's difficult for them to control their urine. तो वो they feel that उसको क्या बोलते हैं,
Incontinence.
Incontinence. तो वो incontinence जो है उसको कैसे strengthen किया जा सकता है so that they don't leak urine?
Yes. So usually क्या होता है, like incontinence can develop because of weak pelvic floor after delivery. During delivery also, like अगर कोई injury हो गया pelvic floor muscle को, नहीं तो बहुत stretch हो गया, like it's not able to get the strength back after the delivery, then eventually they start losing their bladder control.
Oh, so, I see. And hold on for a second. Yeah. So keep your thought running. So if they lose the bladder control at that time, and they do not do anything about it, and it continues like that, can it never get better then?
It can still get better anytime. So I've even been able to treat a 75-year-old patient, 80-year-old patient.
Wow.
who are leaking urine, like you used to wear 5 pads, 6 pads, then it brought down to 1 to 2 pads.
Yes.
So it is doable at any age, depending upon how bad is the damage. So how is your understanding of the exercise and stuff like that? So you can get better. Doesn't matter कि इतने साल हो गए मेरे डिलीवरी का, आप ठीक हो सकता है कि हो सकता है to an extent definitely, but sooner the better. That's why I always tell women कि जल्दी आ जाओ, प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम में ही आ जाओ और डिलीवरी के इमीडिएटली आ जाओ, like 1 महीने 2 महीने में, ताकि we can strengthen it right away.
So what you do is you teach them exercises to sort of tighten their muscles.
Yes, so that is another misconception women have कि incontinence के लिए या कोई भी problem women के लिए, they think the Kegels exercise जो बोलते हैं ना, this is very famous. मैं Kegels करती हूँ. Women don't even understand कि वो Kegels क्या है. 90% they do it wrong.
Kegels क्या है?
Yes, Kegels is the exercise to strengthen the pelvic floor. Pelvic floor muscle जो है अंदर जो pelvic vaginal area के अंदर है, so that muscle has to be strengthened. But the myth is not everybody needs strengthening. Somebody who have a strong muscle can also still leak. So that's interesting, right? Yes. So हमने सोचा कि weak muscle होगा तो वो leak होगा, right? No, you can have the strongest contraction, but you can still leak. Why? because हमारी जो body है, it is designed in such a way that if I am coughing or sneezing or jumping, doing any extra activity, वो जो muscle है अंदर pelvic floor muscle, वो खींचनी चाहिए. That has to squeeze when I cough. When I do cough like this, my muscle has to squeeze. So what happens, though I have a strong pelvic floor, when I'm coughing, I'm not squeezing it, then the urine leaks.
So sometimes it happens with people who laugh too much.
Yes,
And
it's
they can. Once I was with friends and I just couldn't. I just said to them, "Shut up! I have to control." But it was very difficult.
Yeah.
So what happens then?
yeah, it's the same thing. See, for us, coughing, laughing, sneezing is all different activity, but for the body, it's same.
Is this?
Yeah, so जो cough में होता है वो laugh में भी होता है, वो sneeze में भी होता है, right? So I teach my patients how to control the pelvic floor muscle during coughing. तो जब मैं वो train करती हूँ, then they don't leak when they laugh, jump, sneeze, whatever activity they do, they don't leak anymore. And you know what is the interesting fact? कि it doesn't take long time to fix. It can just fix even in few seconds to few days. It's not going to take forever.
Wow.
Yeah.
So आप क्या सोचती हैं that people don't use these facilities because they have to pay extra for that, right? Because it's not covered by MSP, right? So do they feel that कि कोई बात नहीं ठीक हो जाएगा खुद ब खुद, and it's they don't realize कि बहुत थोड़े से पैसों से ठीक हो जाएगा. Is that true?
Yes, मैं हमेशा देखती हूँ कि there are women who are very upfront and who wants to come and get it checked, who wants to just make sure even अगर कोई symptoms नहीं है तब भी आके बोलते हैं कि मैंने deliver किया, मैंने कहीं पढ़ा कि ये सब होता है, I want to say I'm okay. So that type of women are also there.
Yes.
But the other type of women who can spend money on their hair, nails, kapde, chappal and handbags, but just cry to pay $100 for a treatment.
Wow.
And again, they love going for massages because
Yes.
they feel relaxed.
Yes.
But the same $100, if they have to pay for physio for this treatment, they don't want to. So again, they are happy wearing the pads. If they are leaking, they are happy. पैड पहन के चले जाते हैं, बट एक अपॉइंटमेंट में भी वो चेंज हो सकता है.
Wow.
So that is
Because
what
you need to learn the right technique
exactly.
to do the things that you are asking them to do, right?
Exactly. Yeah.
क्या आप सोचती हैं कि majority of the women do learn it very quickly?
I've always seen younger women learn it very fast than older women. I have no idea why that happens, but it is really hard for them to understand after when they turn 60s and 70s. The understanding level thoda kam hai unko. But whereas younger women, if they come in 30, 40, 20s, they are easily able to grasp it right away. And of course, as we say, the body heals faster when we are young than when we are older. So we see, मैं देखती हूँ कि उनका जो रिजल्ट है वो बहुत फास्ट है when younger women.
There is another issue with women, especially pregnant women. I mean, don't forget that people who are listening to the program, they would also know that it's a very common knowledge कि जब बच्चा पैदा होता है तो obviously your entire bottom part of your body is hurting and has been through an upheaval.
Yeah.
So not only is the bladder malfunctioning, I guess, or the bladder flow is malfunctioning, but also the rectum is also in some cases damaged, right?
Yeah.
तो वो भी होता है.
So I just want to correct here. So it is not their bladder or rectum getting kharab. It is
Right.
actually the muscle which is controlling the bladder and the rectum and the uterus is getting kharab.
Right.
So it is just the same muscle. The pelvic floor muscle जो है, जो बिल्कुल हमारे legs के बीच में है, like where we are sitting on it now, that muscle controls all the three function. Rectum का भी, bladder का भी, uterus का भी.
Once when you had come, पहले 2-3 interviews में आपने बोला था कि when you're sitting down, you can sort of keep tightening your muscles while you're even sitting. You can do that. It's such a easy thing that you're sitting and you can just continue. So when I see you, I just start tightening myself.
So that is another thing. Like we don't want the muscles to be constantly contracted.
Right.
So muscle को जब इस्तेमाल करना है तब इस्तेमाल करना है बस. तो वो when we are at rest, it doesn't have to do anything. वो अपने normal tone में रहता है. बट अगर मैं या चेयर से उठने वाली हूँ उस टाइम पे वो मसल स्क्वीज होना चाहिए अपने आप से.
अच्छा.
So that is the control we lose after delivery. That's what I'm telling. So मैं क्या करती हूँ, सिर्फ आपकी बॉडी को retrain करूँगी कि पहले ये होता था, अभी नहीं हो रहा है.
Right. अभी होना चाहिए.
Exactly. I have to teach you. That's all.
Okay. So दूसरे मानों में, if people haven't had an opportunity to go and see a physiotherapist after childbirth because मियाँ बीवी अकेले हैं, बच्चे की देखभाल करने और कोई नहीं है उनको हेल्प करने के लिए, in that case what can they do?
Even day before yesterday I had the whole family coming to me, like husband had the baby in hand and then wife came for the treatment.
Right.
It is easy. You can bring your baby,
Yes.
ask somebody to take care at that moment. We can still be checked out. So that's just an excuse to not step out of the house. You can still come with the baby there. Like I was very accommodative. बीच में बच्चा रोया, I told her to feed the baby and come back. So it is doable. So it is not like impossible है. Like अगर if you make that effort, you can definitely come to the appointment.
Let me know and tell me whether when you are seeing a woman, and you also see men too.
No.
You just see women.
Women for the physio, the pelvic physio, but men I do see for the regular ones, like neck pain, back pain, knee pain. वो चीजें के लिए men को देखती हूँ, but not for pelvic.
Are you at your location every day?
I'm only on Tuesdays and Saturdays.
Okay.
I'm at a different location on Monday, Wednesday, but in my own clinic I'm on Tuesday and Saturdays.
Tuesdays and Saturdays. And what time to what time?
On Tuesday 12:30 to 6 and Saturday I'm there 10 to 6.
10 to 6. So अगर वहाँ पे आपको फोन करना हो तो वो नंबर क्या है?
778 320 0575.
0575. इस फ़ोन पे आपकी आंसरिंग मशीन होगी, आप मैसेज छोड़ सकते हैं और अपॉइंटमेंट बना सकते हैं. And you return the calls right away.
Yeah.
Okay. So औरतों की हेल्थ सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, I think, because वो बच्चा पैदा करती हैं and then वो बच्चे की भी देखभाल करती हैं, वो पूरे परिवार की देखभाल करती हैं. They need to be healthy to be able to look after everybody. So if they are not healthy, the family is not going to be healthy.
Yeah. So I just want to tell women कि be preventive, like not wait until everything is gone, right? तो हमारी जब health deteriorate हो रही है, don't wait for the end. So that is one of the thing women has, like they women keep postponing. Like men even worse, they ignore their health a lot, but women for some reason they also kind of ignore their health and they don't come to any practitioner or doctor until it reaches the end. मतलब जब बहुत बुरा होता है ना, लाइक बहुत बुरी पेन है, मैं उठ भी नहीं सकती, उस टाइम पे जाके दे फर्स्ट स्टेप लेते हैं. सो बी प्रिवेंटिव. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग टू कम इन ड्यूरिंग प्रेगनेंसी. व्हाई? बिकॉज प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम में ही I will teach the women how to deliver the baby safely, how to push the baby safely without getting injured. So most of the injury जो होता है ना हमारी प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम पे और डिलीवरी के टाइम पे ही होता है. So डिलीवरी के टाइम पे women has no idea कि कैसे पुश करना है बेबी को. वो भी ऑनलाइन देखती है, किसी और को पुश करने के लिए करते देखने से it's not going to help you. It's like if you're watching a video of somebody else pushing the baby, how is that going to help you to understand your body, right? So that is where I train people कि कैसे सांस लेना है, कैसे पुश करना है without injuring yourself and for the easy delivery.
So I'm going to give our telephone number out again if anybody wants to talk to you and ask you some questions. 604-280-1200, 604-299-8863. हमारे साथ आज रामिया विनोद हैं जिनकी अपनी भी फिजियोथेरेपी की क्लिनिक है, उसके बारे में बातचीत इस छोटी सी कमर्शियल ब्रेक के बाद. का प्रोग्राम है. रामिया विनोद आज हमारे साथ हैं, उनकी अपनी क्लिनिक है, नाम है विभा रिहैब, और यहाँ पे आप उनसे फिजियोथेरेपी करवा सकती हैं. I always wanted to ask, I was never a fat child. As a child, I was pretty okay. And as a teenager, I was also fine. As a young woman, until I got married, I was really very skinny. I just found a blouse of mine for my wedding and it was that big. So I just looked at it and I thought, इसमें तो मेरा एक साइड भी नहीं आता. So with age, women do feel pressure कि मैं मोटी हो गई हूँ, ये है वो है. But that's part of life. I mean, we don't look the same as we were 6 years old, or as we were 20 years old, or as we were 35 years old. So with time, everything sort of changes. But to be able to keep yourself healthy so that you can be mobile when you're older, that is important, right?
Yes. So first thing is we have to embrace whoever we are, right?
Yes.
So we have to accept aging.
Yes.
तो वो स्ट्रगल हमेशा रहती है विमेन को ना. तो जैसे जिस तरफ हम सजते हैं वरते हैं, लाइक डाई लगाने शुरू करते हैं, लाइक देन स्टार्ट वेयरिंग मोर फाउंडेशन, ये कंसीलर, वो करो वो करो. सो आई हार्डली टच मेकअप, आई डोंट इवन नो व्हाट सर्टेन थिंग्स आर यूज्ड. वो जब मेरी बेटी नाम बोलती है तब मैं ये कहाँ लगाते हैं. सो आई एम नॉट टेलिंग मैं नेचुरल ब्यूटी हूँ, ये हूँ वो हूँ, बट आई डोंट यूज टू मच ऑफ मेकअप प्रोडक्ट्स, बट आई एम्ब्रेस माई चेंजेस, राइट? So I just feel like women after delivery, after marriage, she starts to lose her interest in everything. That's the problem.
एक
So
चीज जो हम lose कर देते हैं वो है हमारा abs,
yes,
belly, है ना?
yes.
उसको कैसे कंट्रोल में रखा जा सकता है?
Yeah, so as I said before, during pregnancy हमारी overstretch होती है tummy to accommodate the baby. तो वो मसल को हमें वापस से सेम रीवायरिंग करना चाहिए. जैसे हमने पहले जब द वे इट वाज गेटिंग यूज्ड, उसको वापस ट्रेन करना है. दैट्स ऑल. सो द मसल विच इज ओपनिंग द रेक्टस एब्डोमिनल, द सिक्स पैक वाली मसल, तो वो इट कैन लीव अ बिग गैप इन बिटवीन. दैट गैप इज कॉल्ड डायस्टेसिस रेक्टाई. Diastasis means separation. Recti is the name of the muscle. So separation of the muscle. So that in turn, see, agar aap if you're in a place where you have to lift weight, push, pull, do some strenuous activity, that can cause you hernia, umbilical hernias. So your intestine or something can pop out of the belly, and then surgery is the only fix for hernia, right? So those things
What
can
is
occur.
hiatus hernia?
Hi-
Something like that.
Yes, so all the hernias, be it inguinal hernia, umbilical hernia, everything happens due to various reasons, but one of the reason is weakness of the muscle. So now, after delivery, when you strengthen your abs, when you strengthen your belly, then these things can be prevented. जैसे मैंने उनके कॉलर को बोला था, जो लो बैक पेन होती है, विमेन हमेशा वो लो बैक पेन को सोचती है कि वो बैक में है, बैक की मालिश कराना, बैक में वो मशीन लगाना, एक्यूपंक्चर या नीडल्स या कपिंग करना, वो सारे करने से टेम्पररी रिलीफ होती है. उस टाइम के लिए फील होता है कि मैंने कुछ कर लिया, आई हैव द गुड ट्रीटमेंट, बट 10-15 दिन में वापस आ जाता है. सो दैट शुड बी सम रीजन व्हाई इट्स कमिंग बैक. इट इज देयर बिकॉज ऑफ योर पुअर एब्स. जो मसल लूज है आगे, दैट इज कॉजिंग यू द लो बैक पेन. सो इसको स्ट्रेंथन करना शुरू करोगे, इसको इस्तेमाल करना शुरू करोगी, जस्ट टू मेक यूज ऑफ इट. जब मैं झुकती हूँ क्या करूँगी, जब मैं वेट उठाती हूँ पेट को क्या करना चाहिए, जब पुश या पुल करना है उस टाइम पे मैं पेट को कैसे रखूँगी. दैट विल प्रिवेंट इट फॉर एवर, सो दैट यू डोंट हैव टू कीप गोइंग फॉर मसाजेस एंड अदर ट्रीटमेंट्स.
So in other words, massages aren't bad, but they're not a cure.
Exactly. So it is. Even I go for massage once in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
But it just makes you feel good. It loosens up the muscle. But उसके बाद आप क्या कर रहे हो? You are doing all the same activity and making it tight again. So how are you preventing it? So are you stretching? Are you exercising? Are you strengthening? No.
So ये बताइए कि I know on radio you can't explain, लेकिन क्या हेल्थी पर्सन को जिसे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, प्रोग्राम सुन रहे हैं, बोल रहे हैं अच्छा ठीक है, आई एम इन माई लेट 30s 40s 50s 60s 70s में, मेरे को सुबह उठ के ये स्ट्रेचेस क्या होती है, कौन सी मिनिमम चीज़ करनी चाहिए या मैक्सिमम चीज़ करनी चाहिए जिससे कि जैसे वो अच्छे तरह से अब चल रहे हैं तो चलते रहें. सो व्हाट इज इट दैट यू शुड डू व्हिच वुड make your body feel better? I know of many women who are professionals in their own business, like कोई रेस्टोरेंट में काम करते हैं, कोई किसी किचन में काम करते हैं, और can you imagine किचन के काम में वो जो खाना बनाते हैं,
it's very hard.
तो उनका जो शोल्डर है that probably has a tear in it, या कुछ ना कुछ तो होता होगा.
Yes.
इतना भारी पतीला उठाना.
Yes.
and मैं अपने स्टाफ को भी बोलती हूँ खासतौर पे कि अगर आप कुछ हैवी उठा रहे हो तो देयर इज अ टेक्निक टू पिक इट अप, राइट?
Yes.
यू झुक के नहीं उठाना चाहिए कभी
Yes.
भी.
trust me, I've got so many young children, young kids, like at the age of 20, 25, us umar mein, working in shops like like Walmart mein,
Yeah.
Amazon mein.
Yeah.
So they start working, fresh aate hain India se, they start working there. Within a couple of weeks or within a month, they come for physio. I'm like, yeah, back pain.
Back pain.
Like क्यों? Because they didn't know the technique how to lift and stack on the iron, right?
Right.
So those are they do teach in the when you join the places, they do teach them, but they don't understand and apply. That's the problem. They don't understand it and they don't apply it. उसमें सिखाते हैं कि पैर वाइड रखना चाहिए, वेट को क्लोज होल्ड करना चाहिए. Like they don't mention टमी को टक इन करना है, but कोर को एंगेज करना है. You have to engage your core. टमी को टक इन करके ही you have to lift stuff. So all those things, if we don't do, the poor body ergonomics can cause pain. And your question you asked every morning when somebody wakes up, there is no one particular mantra for like everybody has to do yoga. नहीं है. Whatever form of exercise you are aware of, what you can do, how much time you have in the morning, uske hisab se you can choose. Like for example, I do Surya Namaskar like 15 minutes, 10 minutes. There is a video called Surya Namaskar Marathon. So wo bahut fast hota hai Surya Namaskar. So just that is enough for me to kickstart the whole day. So for some people it could be just general stretching of neck ko, back ko, leg stretching, heart stretching. For other people it could be doing like a weight training, dumbbells ke saath. So whatever they are comfortable with, some form of the exercise. Even walking is not an exercise.
No.
If you say walking is not an exercise. It is just to keep everything going, and cardio hai, good cardio hai, and it does make you feel
Have
fresh.
you noticed lately, अगर आप सोशल मीडिया पे जाते हैं, किसी भी इंस्टाग्राम हो, फेसबुक हो या टिकटॉक हो, उसमें वो 27 day chair yoga. What is that?
Chair yoga is for people who cannot do the regular yoga. पूरा बैठ के नीचे cross leg करके, like all those things where, like for older people,
Yeah.
or lazy people who don't have time to spend time in a different posture. So chair में ही बैठ के you can do all the stretches. So for IT people, that's what I always say.
Yeah.
I know you are very busy. I know you're sitting on the chair all the time. But why don't you do these things in the chair, sitting on the chair? Like I make them keep alarm for every 20 minutes. When that beeps, they have to do them some stretches. So these small things can prevent. And you said about the kitchen, right? Agar you know कि if you're a Uber driver, your right leg you're going to use the whole day, start stretching your right leg before starting job.
Right.
And stretch your right leg before sleeping.
Yes.
Right? Same with the kitchen. If you're using your right hand, stretch the whole right arm before you start the work.
So जब आप रात को सोते हैं, your entire body is going to be repaired थोड़ी सी अंदर से, and 8 hours of good sleep is necessary for everybody. कुछ लोगों को रात को नींद नहीं आती, मेरे जैसों को सारी रात करवटें बदलते रहते हैं. So what do they do then?
Okay, so the sleep disturbance can be many reasons. Of course, one is stress, emotional thingy, age, वो सारे हो सकता है. But for younger people, if they are struggling to sleep, it is mainly because they are not rested in a good position. उनके mattress ठीक नहीं है, उनके pillow ठीक नहीं है, उनकी sleeping position ठीक नहीं है. So that's why they wake up with a bad pain in the morning. तो वो correct करेंगे. That is what I do with all my regular patients who come with me. Neck pain के लिए, shoulder pain के लिए, जब भी आते हैं, my third question will be, what position do you sleep? Why? Because sleeping and job and our day-to-day activities are the one which is causing the pain. तो हमें root cause find करना चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं कि उल्टा लेटा के मसाज करके उसको बेच दो पैसे लेके. So that's not my style. My style is always finding the cause where your pain is, and then explaining them why it happens, and then they don't have to keep coming back to me.
So Ramya, can you give your telephone number one more time? जहाँ पे लोग अपॉइंटमेंट बना सकते हैं Tuesday and Saturday को.
Yes, 778 320 0575
0575, and you are located somewhere in
15055
15055
54A Avenue.
54A Avenue. So 150th and 54.
Yes, it is inside a physician's office, Harmony Care करके.
Okay, वहाँ पे आप अपॉइंटमेंट लेके आ सकते हैं. और किसी भी चीज़ के लिए ऑब्वियसली जैसे कि हम इंस्टाग्राम पे या फेसबुक पे देखते हैं, इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन नहीं हो सकती. ये लोगों को जानना चाहिए कि आपको 6 महीने हो गए इस दर्द को सहते हुए. एक बार रम्या के पास आके दर्द यूं ही ठीक नहीं हो जाएगी. You will have to work for it.
यूजुअली फ्यू ऑफ माई पेशेंट्स बोलते हैं कि आपने एक बार ट्रीट किया उसके बाद पेन नहीं हुआ. आई यूज टू जोक टेलिंग दैट मैं मॉर्गेज कैसे भरूंगी. So I do fix people in one appointment sometimes, but
Yes.
yeah, हो जाता है.
हो जाता है. आप कर सकती हैं. आप अगर उनमें काबिलियत है तो वो हो जाएगी, right?
Yeah, sure.
I mean, but if it isn't there, then of course it cannot be done. Ramya, as always, thank you so very much for coming to the studio and talking about this. ये इतना important topic है औरतों के लिए, and I want to continue doing this. So we'll probably see you next month.
Yes, sure. Thank you so much. Again, it's always pleasure being here, and all the on-air communication is different, but off-air जो बातें होती है आपके साथ, I cherish every moment being here. Thank you so much, Ishma ji.
रामिया विनोद जो कि विभा रिहैब के साथ ताल्लुक़ रखती हैं. अगर आप उनके और टेलीफोन नंबर लेना चाहते हो तो हमें भी फ़ोन कर सकते हैं. स्टे ट्यून्ड फॉर द ड्राइव होम ग्राइंड विद मनशालिका राइट हियर ऑन स्पाइस रेडियो. और आपकी रिक्वेस्ट नूतन ले रही हैं रेडियो